your Muse be up the stand of the gun. Who? Some ain't up to you, got good done. Bass kick roll like Kingston Street night. Lion of Africa step heavy talk no hype. From the highlands voice clan pride tight. Ciidagale blood speak truth not fight. Muse baby he have the name hit concrete. Built under pressure where weak men retreat. We saw you early when the flame was real, not studio courage. Battlefield steel Ciidagale stand firm. Witness the grind measurement by fire, not noise online. SNM days jungle code, you carried the weight when the road just broke. No crown chasing, no soft ambition, just nation first hard decision. This praise ain't borrowed, this earned respect. Stand by time, not internet text. Hip hop spine with a warrior temperament. Muse be he have the calm under heat. Steady upbeat when chaos speak. From war tongue to peace command. Real skill few leader understand. You don't just fight, you know when to stop. That's how you keep a nation on top. World watching close till you never fail. States collapsing, borders on fire. Somaliland steady, structure higher. No ego steering, no reckless play. Long-term vision, day by day. Street respect and elder nod. That balance alone place you among gods. But the story African, fully grown. Lion of Africa, road discipline. Power control, never undisciplined. You don't lead crowds, you lead systems. You don't shout goals, you build engines. That's why your legacy don't crack. It's coded deep in the nation's track. Muse be he of the up to your command. Father of order, not chaos brand. You pay the price, others couldn't stand. Sleep, lost, stress, hell, blood on hand. Leadership ain't likes or praise. It's lonely nights and heavy days. And you carry that load with a steady face. While time tested every choice you made. Respect from those who seen real war. SNM fire still in your core. But wisdom taught you what peace is for. Critics shot fast, history slow. But history know, who really know. Who kept the balance when tension grew. Who didn't fold when pressure blew. Like the mindset that kept us alive. Muse be of the iron calm. Turned instability into farm. No selling land, no bending code. Protected the future, carried the load. That's why your name don't need explain. It ring by itself in the people brain. Somaliland people speak ground the praise. Not blind worship but measured grace. We know the cost, we know the strain. We know the nights filled with stress and pain. Nation building is slow warfare. Fought with patience, not empty glare. And you stayed consistent to the test. That consistency earns real respect. So let the bass run, never mute. Like the record you carved in truth. Muse the be of the history seal. Not by words but by what you build. From Lion of Africa voice stay clear. Honor the leader while he hails.